Tired of your iPhone blowing up with notifications at the worst possible times? Today, I'm going to show you two super easy ways to silence your iPhone, so you can stay focused and avoid unwanted distractions. This entire process will only take a minute, so let's jump right in. First, the simplest method: use the ring silent switch. This physical switch is located on the upper left side of your iPhone, just above the volume buttons. When the switch is pushed towards the screen, so you don't see an orange indicator, your iPhone is in ring mode, and you'll hear sounds for calls, texts, and other notifications. Now, push the switch away from the screen. Towards the back of the phone, you'll see an orange indicator on the switch. This means your iPhone is now in silent mode. You'll also see a notification pop up on your screen indicating it is in silent mode. In silent mode, calls and alerts will be silenced, but your phone will still vibrate, unless you disable vibration in settings, which we will cover later. Music and video playback will still produce sound. Alright, let's explore the second method using your iPhone settings. Tap on the settings app icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. In this menu, under the ring silent mode switch section, you can customize what happens when the physical switch is in silent mode. You can toggle vibrate on ring to disable vibrations when the phone is set to ring mode, and vibrate on silent to disable vibrations when the phone is on silent. If you turn off vibrate on silent, your phone will be completely silent, with no sounds or vibrations when the switch is set to silent mode. And that's it. Two quick and easy ways to put your iPhone into silent mode. Now you can manage your notifications and enjoy some peace and quiet whenever you need it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.